Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have account access and the latest client. This prevents mismatched files later. Once done, open Settings and enable activity or telemetry logging. This creates a record of playtime. Start a session immediately and note the exact start time so you have a reference if timestamps are ambiguous. Make sure automatic uploads or local logs are selected. Choosing local first gives you direct files to inspect. These steps get the system writing data you will extract in the next phase. Now locate the log files. Common places are app data, documents, or inside the game install folder, because you need raw records. Once located, use file timestamps and file sizes to identify the files matching your session. This avoids processing unrelated logs. Copy those files to a working folder before modification, then run a lightweight converter or script to export entries to CSV or JSON for easy analysis. Make sure to preserve original file names so you can trace data back if. Finally, parse the exported CSV or JSON to aggregate playtime by session or by day. Summing start and stop timestamps yields accurate totals. Once aggregated, verify your totals against in-game counters, purchase receipts, or platform timestamps to catch dropped entries. Export a final report and back up the raw logs and converted files so you can audit later. If totals look wrong, check for overlapping timestamps and time zone offsets. Fix those first and rerun the aggregation to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.